1969 Chevrolet Corvette convertible here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Numbers matching, engine and trans, 350 V8 underneath the hood. It's paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 400. Power steering, power brakes, AC car, so nicely equipped. Take a look at the chrome bumper up front here. Chrome in nice shape. Red paint shows well, black interior. You want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside, engine bay. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're watching me on YouTube, it's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Rally wheels with the center caps, beauty rings. Side pipe car. White vinyl top that has been replaced and is in nice shape. We're going to take a look at that at the end of the video. Of course, bucket seats, center console. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. There is a folder of receipts, original fuel pump, some things that will go with this, as you can see over here. Owner's manual is in that folder. Some of the more recent service work that was done to this, there's receipts for that. Original Rochester carb was rebuilt. Again, new fuel pump added, mentioned the older ones there, as well as the filter, some power steering hoses, new shocks, plugs and points. So there will be a folder of receipts that will go along with this car. Take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Any questions, call a sales consultant at 507-386-1726. So we take a look down the driver's side of this car. You can see it's not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. There may be an imperfection here or there. I did notice when I was raising the headlights up earlier, there's a couple little nicks off of each side of the one headlight. So I have had the headlights up and down, as well as the wiper door and the wipers working. A little aftermarket JVC stereo has been added to this with some speakers in the back. You'll be able to see those in the still pictures. Take a little closer look at this interior. We'll start it up, let you hear it run, and then remember to stick around to the end of the video. We'll take this car for a drive, set the camera up in it so you can see what it's like going down the road. Take you for a virtual ride along, if you will. All right. Again, numbers matching, tranny and engine. 350 and an automatic. The tack is working. The JVC stereo. Gauge cluster. I'm going to pull those lights. They're still vacuum, so it takes a little bit to come up. There they are, so you can see that they do work. Gotta love the sound of a side pipe car. Let me pause this 1 second. I want to get that hood open. We'll check out the engine bay. I'll get the top up for you too, and we'll check that out before we take it for a ride. There's a look at the underside of the hood. Nice and clean and tidy. There it is. The numbers matching original 350 to this car. Power steering, power brakes, AC. Nicely equipped. Slip around to the passenger side here, so you get a look from this side also. There it is. I'm going to go ahead and shut this down. Close the lights up. Let's get that convertible top up, and we'll check out the top. And then again, remember the driving video at the end. And here it is with the top up. So white vinyl top. Nice tight fit above the windshield. Also rolled up the power windows, so you get the side glass up so you can see how that fits. Free of rips, tears, or holes. Obviously is a newer top that has been replaced in very good shape. Manual top, of course. One person can put it up with ease. Clear rear window. Nice fit down along the body also. And passenger side window glass. Nice fitting top, good shape. 1969 Chevrolet Corvette convertible. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1969 Chevrolet Corvette. I would call it orange. It's a good color. White top on this convertible Corvette. We do have the top up today. This is an automatic right here on the center console. We have a JVC radio in the dash. Oil pressure is showing almost 70. Fuel gauge is almost 3/4 of a tank. Our water temperature is about 180 and the battery's charging over the middle of the gauge. This car is equipped with a factory clock. It is not turning, but it is there. Factory tachometer working well, as is the speedometer. Nice running car. Started up easily and idled great. This car stays nice and straight if you let go of the wheel. Yeah, she stays where you put her. Factory looking bucket seats in this Corvette. Nice condition. The top is nice condition as well. Corners properly for a 69 Corvette. Got a good rumble coming from that exhaust. What's more iconic than a red 69 Corvette convertible? Take a look at all the pictures. The engine, the